I promise, you have not seen a vacuum like the S1 Pro. I've just got to show you this. Before we get into the industry first features, we should probably hit the base features, right? At least from a high level overview. Before we get into that, though, I do want to acknowledge that this video is sponsored by Eufy. But as with any hands-on or review, I'm always going to be completely honest with you guys, and I'll answer any questions that you have about this device down below in the comments. Like a lot of the RoboVacs that I review, this is a combo device that vacuums and mops the floors in your home. It uses LiDAR to effortlessly navigate rooms and around furniture. When it's done, it travels right back to the docking station. This UniClean station automatically maintains your robot with tasks such as emptying the dustbin and adding fresh water. But I'm willing to bet you've seen other models that fit that general description. But the S1 Pro differs in several ways, starting with that mop. Eufy even shows how good the S1 Pro is at cleaning by using a UV light. It's 100% clean, getting rid of stuff that even the naked eye can't see. See, most RoboVacs with mops work well enough, but for bigger messes, the mops end up getting fairly dirty. The only way to really remedy this is to head back to the docking station and clean the mop repeatedly. That's inefficient. So Eufy came up with another solution. As it goes, it continuously cleans the mop right on the robot while actively mopping. It accomplishes this by using air pressure to force clean water through the massive roller brush. The clean water comes from the onboard tank filled with a pre-mixed cleaning solution and sterilized water. The mop rotates upwards to help lift debris off the floor, and Eufy says it's designed this to mimic the scrubbing of human hands. Cool. When I was testing a robot with a vibrating mop pad on the bottom, it ended up dragging the pasta sauce across the floor, which then inadvertently stained my rug when it drug it across it. I even tested some common messes in our house, like some partially dried milk and some super sticky peanut butter. Both were scrubbed away without a trace. Importantly, all this tech keeps the mop and your floors ultra clean. For homes that have different floor types, the mop will automatically lift as it approaches rugs or carpet, raising 12 millimeters to prevent them from ever getting damp. It also increases its suction by 262% to pull up any dirt and hair that exists deep below the surface. It's more than 8,000 pascals of suction, according to Eufy. By the way, it has an anti-tangling brush built in, so hair shouldn't cause this robot any problems. We've got a lot of animals in the house, including a long-haired dog, so I'm definitely going to continuously put this to the test. Here's what it looks like after a week of daily use. Honestly, this is not bad at all. I have not pulled any hair out of here. This is just what it looks like after daily cleanings. When the clean water needs refilled, it heads back to that UniClean docking station, which happens to be one of my favorite features of the entire system. Unlike most others in the industry, the Eufy UniClean docking station has adopted a different form factor. It's both thinner and taller than most other docking stations. The top has an integrated touchscreen where you can send out the bot or recall it without having to pull out your phone or even having to bend over. It can also self-empty the dustbin, automatically scrub clean the roller mop, dry that roller with 131-degree-Fahrenheit heated air, refill the tank with clean water, empty any dirty water, generate ozone sterilized water, and automatically mix detergent into the clean water tank for you. Bear with me, I know this seems like a small thing, but the water tank on this is semi-translucent, which means you can see how much water is left in the tank. Do you know how many times I have left the house anticipating running the robot to mop only to get the alert that I am out of clean water? Far too many times, and it has not happened with this one because I can see how much water is remaining. Letting the robot clean while I'm away is typically my MO, but you have to have a lot of trust in the robot to do that. You have to trust that it's not going to just make a bigger mess, get trapped on something, or fall down a step. The S1 Pro uses its 3D matrix eye sensing system to help navigate so that you don't ever have to worry. It projects 300,000 invisible dots on the world around it 8 times a second. Then uses 2 cameras to scan those dots and create a 3-dimensional view of its environment. Most robots usually have one onboard camera, which only does an okay job in measuring things like the depth of objects, kind of like a 2D versus a 3D situation. The S1 Pro is full of sensors, including a hidden LiDAR sensor. It's able to protect itself from a number of different things, including objects on your floor, shallow steps, or just changes in room layout or in furniture. The whole robot is controlled from the free app, which is really easy to navigate. It separates your rooms into different rooms and zones. You can adjust settings for the unit clean station, change the cleaning mode, or even drive the robot manually. I can even send out the vacuum from within Vision Pro. There's really nothing like relaxing on the moon while your floors are getting mopped. Look, I get it. There are a lot of RoboVacs on the market, and they tend to have a lot of overlapping features. Not everything about the eufy S1 Pro is wholly unique, but that's okay. They built in enough unique features that I do think it separates them out from the rest. The one thing that I would love to see added here is support for Matter, so that way it could be controlled directly from Siri and Apple Home. But that could always be added in a software update. Please, Eufy? If you are interested in the eufy S1 Pro, there's a link for it down below in the description, and right now it is on its Kickstarter phase, which means you can save up to 40% off by backing it. Thanks again to Eufy for sponsoring this video.